Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix can't start game or app on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the right, you're gonna find your game library. If you click on your game library, right here you're gonna find the list that includes all of the games and applications installed on your device. And right now, if you go to the left, here you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And if you go here to the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix can't start game or app on PS5, first of all, go to settings and then go to storage. Once you do that, here you're gonna find console storage, USB extended storage, and installation location. Go to console storage and then here check if your storage is full. Basically guys, if your storage is full, this means this is the reason for this problem. So basically guys, in order to fix this problem, you need to free up some space. If you want to free up some space, just go back to the home page and then go to the games that you don't use anymore. Then click on option and then here you're gonna find check for updates, upload or download save data, manage game content, delete, app update history, information, and intellectual property notices. Go ahead and click on delete, and if you're sure about deleting the game, click on OK, and as you can see guys, just wait for it to load and it will be deleted. One other way to free up some space is by going to the media gallery and deleting your videos and photos. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.